The Mercator Research Park is a science park located in the Brussels-Capital Region of Belgium, and it is being managed by the Brussels Regional Investment Company. The research park provides a business incubator for spin-offs of universities and space for companies active in research and development. See also: Science and Technology in the Brussels-Capital Region, Institute for the Encouragement of Scientific Research and Innovation of Brussels. References and sources. Sites in the city, page 8. Innovation, technology, and knowledge transfer at the hub. Brussels economy growing. External links. Mercator.